right, gang. Want to give you a little bit of review today on the LISEN sticker magnets. These are great little sticker rings that allow you to use MagSafe accessories with phones or cases that typically don't accept that. And so this is a way just to convert that. So like, for instance, my dash has a nice little MagSafe thing where I can hang this old phone off and use it for directions and things. Installation is pretty awesome. It's pretty straightforward. As you can see, this is an old phone. MagSafe does not work on it, doesn't stick in any way, shape, or form. Absolutely love these. These allow us to convert anything that we need to MagSafe compatible. So with these little stickers, as you can see, you can make your old phones, your phone cases, whatever you need MagSafe compatible. Overall, we love these. Great little idea, great little invention. 5 out of 5 stars.